Hello, boys and girls. So Tuesday we started talking about opinion writing, and we're going to review that today, and then you're going to create your first opinion writing piece. So to review, what is an opinion? An opinion is something that you think or how you feel about something. Like I might think that the best color is purple, but you might think that the best color is orange. Those are our opinions, and they don't always have to be the same. We talked about how can we write an opinion? We have to tell our opinion, give reasons why, back those reasons up, and then give a closing about what your writing was about. Sentence starters that we might use with an opinion writing piece is I prefer, I think, I feel, I know, I believe, or in my opinion. So today we're going to write about the worst food to eat. So if you remember, on Monday, you should have filled out this on the back of your writing folder. So I need you to pause the video right now, go get the back of your writing folder and your writing journal or a piece of paper and get ready to begin writing. Once you have both of those materials, come back to continue watching. So now that you have your folder and your writing journal, go ahead and create your 4 boxes. And then your topic today is going to be about the worst food to eat. So in the first box, remember you have to state your opinion. So using our sentence starters, you'll see on the back of your folder, it says to use in my opinion. So I'm going to write in my opinion, and then I'm going to say my food. Broccoli is the worst food to eat. Now, if you're in my class, you might know this already, but if you're not in my class, we are allowed to copy the black writing. So anything the teacher writes in black, you can copy, and then the red is my writing and my story or idea, and you need to come up with your own. So you may copy in my opinion, but then you need to fill out what the worst food to you is. Then in the second box, you're going to start giving me ideas of why that food is the worst. So I said, to begin with, broccoli has a horrible smell. Then in the next box, I have to give another reason why it's the worst food. So I said, next, broccoli tastes like I am eating dirt. And then at the very end, I will use my sentence starter that says, in conclusion, and that's going to help sum up all of my ideas. I would say broccoli is the worst food to eat. So I'm stating my opinion, giving reasons, and then restating my opinion of letting you know why. So the whole reason for opinion writing is to make others feel the way that you feel. So I'm writing this in hopes that you'll read it and think, yeah, broccoli is the worst food to eat. So you need to think of really good reasons why that food is bad to eat. You don't want to use reasons like, I don't like it or it looks yucky. You need to have really good reasons of why that food is bad. Like I said, it tastes like I'm eating dirt. Well, nobody wants to eat dirt, so then maybe they'll think broccoli is bad too. Okay? So today you're going to write about the worst food to eat. Don't forget to use the sentence starters on the back of your writing to help you get started. I can't wait to see what you guys think is the worst food to eat. Good luck.